Following emergency at the request of the United States Civil Defense System, this is a test of the new emergency broadcast alert point known as the EBA. We will be conducting severe weather, shelter-in-place warning, missile or nuclear threats, and others. Remember, this is only a test. If this was a test, you would be listening to details and instructions right now. Now we are signing off of this channel. Thank you for cooperation for the new EBA. Now ending emergency broadcast.
This is an NBC News special report.
Streets of San Francisco today, gridlock.
Attention all members in the field. There's been a significant power outage here throughout the city.
At one point, 90,000 customers were without power across a large section of the city, encompassing some of San Francisco's most famous landmarks, including Union Square, the Embarcadero, and financial districts.
I'm happy to report that there are no major injuries. We've checked our trauma centers, all the hospitals.